If Chrome is showing error code 3 with 0X80040154, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through two simple fixes that usually solve the problem. This error often happens when Chrome's update service gets disabled or when cached update files become corrupted, so we're going to check both of those areas step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to re-enable Google Update Services and clear the update cache so Chrome can update properly again. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this one. Alright, let's get right into it. First, we're going to enable the Google Update Services in Windows. Sometimes Windows disables background updater components by mistake, and that can block Chrome from accessing the files it needs to update. To begin, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This will open the Run box. In the Run box, type services.msc and then press Enter. This opens the Services window where Windows keeps all of its background services. Now scroll down carefully through the list and look for two specific services. The first one is Google Updater Internal Service and the second one is Google Updater Service. Depending on your system, they may appear with slightly different names, but they will both be related to Google Update. We want to check and fix both of them one at a time. Start with Google Updater Service, also known as Gupdate. Double-click it to open the Properties window. Once that window appears, look for the Startup Type drop-down menu. Change it to Automatic, or if that option is available, Automatic Delayed Start. This tells Windows to start the service on its own when needed. Then check the service status. If it says stopped, click the Start button to turn it on. After that, click Apply and then click OK to save the changes. Now repeat those exact same steps for the second service, Google Updater Internal Service. Open its properties, set the startup type to Automatic or Automatic Delayed Start, and if the service is stopped, click Start. Then apply the changes and close the window. This step is important because Chrome depends on these services to check for updates and download them properly. Once both services are enabled, the next thing to do is clear out the cached update files. Old or corrupted temporary download files inside Chrome's update folders can freeze the updater and cause this exact error. To do that, press the Windows key and R again to open the Run box. This time, type %localapdata%/Google and press Enter. That will take you directly into Chrome's local Google folder. Inside that folder, look for a folder named Update. Open it. Now select all the contents inside this folder and delete them. You're only removing temporary update files here, so this is safe and will not delete your browser or your bookmarks. This just clears out the broken files that may be preventing Chrome from updating correctly. After deleting those files, close the folder and relaunch Google Chrome. Once Chrome opens, click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will now check for updates again. If the issue was caused by disabled services or corrupted update data, this should give Chrome a fresh start and allow it to update normally. If Chrome starts updating successfully, that means the problem has been fixed. In some cases, you may need to restart your computer once more and test it again, but most of the time these steps solve error code 3 and 0X80040154 very quickly. If the error is still there after trying both methods, it may be worth checking for antivirus interference, Windows permission issues, or reinstalling Chrome completely. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix error code 3 0X80040154 in Chrome by enabling Google Update Services and clearing the cached update files. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Chrome error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.